Conducting product research for Amazon FBA private label involves several key steps to identify profitable and viable products. Here's a concise guide. Identify market trends. Use tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or AMC Scout to analyze market trends. Look for products with high demand and low competition. Keyword research. Use keyword research tools to find popular search terms related to potential products. High search volume with low competition is ideal. Analyze competitors. Study top-selling products in your chosen category. Examine their reviews, pricing, and listings to understand what works and identify gaps in the market. Check sales metrics. Use sales estimators to gauge the monthly sales volume and revenue potential for different products. Aim for products with consistent sales and good profit margins. Evaluate profitability. Calculate potential profits by considering manufacturing costs, shipping fees, Amazon FBA fees, and selling prices. Use FBA calculators to get accurate estimates. Assess product viability. Ensure the product is not seasonal, restricted, or patented. Avoid fragile or complex items that may incur high return rates. Validate product ideas. Order samples from suppliers to verify product quality. This step helps in assessing the supplier's reliability and the product's marketability. Create a shortlist. Narrow down your options to a few products that meet all criteria. Perform a SWOT analysis for each product. Test the market. Consider launching a small batch to test the market response. Use Amazon PPC ads to drive initial traffic and gather data.